Good afternoon, children. How are you all? All are fine? Okay. This is your computer class. Okay. Today I am going to take your computer class, online computer class. I know this is your favorite subject. Isn't it, children? Okay. You love to learn computer, right? Okay. Now, today we will start our new lesson of computer, that is lesson number 2, part 1, parts of computer. Today in this chapter, I will teach you the parts of computer. Okay. Now, children, see, as you have the different parts in your body, right? In the same way, computer has a parts, many parts. Okay, all these parts work together to do work in a computer. Same way, see, the body, in your body there are many parts. Okay, different parts you have, like eye, head, ear, mouth, hand, leg. You can see in the picture, knee, lips, nose. Okay, these are the different parts. Okay, so these all work together, right? Same way in the computer also, computer has many parts. It works together to do work. Okay, now we will see which are these parts. Now look here. So computer also has a many parts. See, these are the parts of a computer. Can you see one TV like screen in this picture? This is monitor. Okay, then there is a CPU. I will explain you in detail what is CPU, what is monitor, printer, mouse and keyboard. Okay, these pictures you can see, these are the parts of a computer. Now first I will teach you what is monitor. Can you see this picture, children? Okay, do you have this at your home? Okay, fine. Now this screen looks like a TV. Okay, looks like a television screen. This you can also call a screen. Okay, monitor looks like a television screen. You can see movies and cartoons on the monitor. When you start the computer, if you want to watch the cartoons, you can play it on the computer and you can watch on the screen. You can watch the movies, cartoons and whatever work you are doing, that work you can see on the screen. So, and it shows us the work done on the computer. Whatever work we are doing, you can see on this monitor screen. Okay, now see, it looks like a TV screen. It is also known as a screen or VDU, visual display unit. VDU full form is visual display unit. Now second part, this is the second part of a computer. This is keyboard. Can you see keys on it? Look at the picture. Okay, now in this picture there are many keys on this board. That's why this is called keyboard. Okay, which are these keys? Have you seen this keyboard? Do you have this at home? Okay, with computer, if you have a computer, you know this. This is a keyboard. On this keyboard, there are many keys. You can see the alphabets A, B, C, D, full A to Z. You can see on the screen, on this keyboard. Then there are numbers, 0 to 9 numbers are there. Okay, see, the standard keyboard has how many keys on the keyboard? It has 104 keys. It has 104 keys on the keyboard, and these all keys are used to type letters, numbers and some symbols are there, like full stop if you want to give a full stop, if you want to give a question mark. Okay, these all you can use. You can see on the keyboard that you can use while typing. So alphabets, numbers 0 to 9, this you can use using keyboard. So keyboard help us to type. Understood, children? Now Next part is mouse. Can you see this mouse? Okay, this mouse, see, this is a mouse which is attached to the computer. Okay, it has a 2 or 3 buttons on it, and it helps us to draw the picture. And with this mouse you can click on the picture, you can click on the icons which are there in the computer. Okay, you can select the things which are there on the computer. This is very useful, and it is also used to point the items on the monitor. Now see, computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it, and it is used to select and point. It is used to select and point. It is also used to draw a picture and play games on the computer. So how many parts we have seen? Monitor, keyboard and mouse. Now next is a very important part, that is CPU. Which part is this? CPU. The full form of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. This is very important part. This is a brain of a computer. It works like a brain of a computer. Okay, you all have brain. The brain is very important in our body, right? The same way this play a very important role in the computer. Whatever work we do on the computer using keyboard and mouse, it goes into the brain of the computer, into the CPU, and it works and it start working on it, and it gives us the result. This is a central processing unit. This box you can see with the computers, you can see this box. Okay, now see here, CPU is a brain of a computer. Now next part is printer. What is this box? Have you seen this at your home? Okay, if you don't have, no problem. In the school we have this machine. This is a printer. Okay, you can see in the school, when you will join the school, we will show you what is printer. This printer, this printer is used to take a printout of the text or a picture on the paper. Can you see the book? Do you have a book in your hand? Okay, see, on the book there are pictures and the alphabets are written, yes or no. So these are the printouts taken on the paper. Whatever is there in the computer or any documents, any picture, if you want that on the paper, that you can take it on the paper using printer. Okay, using this printer you can take a picture or the text on the paper, and this printed copy on the paper is called a hard copy. This why it is called hard copy? When you take it on the printout, when you take it on the paper, you can touch that copy, right? You can touch that paper, so that's why this is called as a hard copy. Whatever is in the computer, that will get copy on the paper, and that printed copy you can touch. So this is called hard copy. So children, today we have seen what parts of a computer. We have learned part of a computer. First, monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU and printer. So these are the main important parts of a computer. Okay children, now you at home, you please read the spelling of each part and learn it. Okay, monitor spelling, keyboard spelling, mouse, CPU and printer. Okay children, so have you understood all these parts? Hope you all understood this. Okay, so children, have a good day, and in the next session I will complete this lesson. Okay children, have a good day. Bye.